Okay, good morning. Today we're going to look at chart number 8. We're going to be doing that soon in our handbook for reading. So if you're at home, you might want to go check out the YouTube on my channel for chart 8 and do chart 8 at home. We're going to work on chart 9. We've got some review on rhyming words. We're going to talk about syllables and then how to divide words in the middle of a syllable, as well as between a root word and a suffix. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to start with everybody taking out their handbook for reading and opening to chart 8. Okay, here we go. Ing and pointing, I-N-G. N and not, K-N. N and not, G-N. Ang and bang, A-N-G. Ing and king, I-N-G. Ong and long, O-N-G. Ong and strong, U-N-G. Ang and bank, A-N-K. Ing and wink, I-N-K. Ong and honk, O-N-K. Ong and trunk, U-N-K. Walk and wash, W-A. Up and adopt, A. E and baby, Y. O and little, L-E. N and wanted, E-D. And looked, E-D. And played, E-D. Very good. That went very well. Okay, so that's a fun picture, huh? That's nice in fall colors. I would like, let's see. I have 3 rows up here. This is the first row, the second row, and the third row. I'm going to call people up to the board and have them circle in their row what 2 words rhyme. Okay, so if you're watching us at home, if you'll just write a number 1 and then write the 2 words that rhyme, that would be fine. Otherwise, you can write all 3 and circle the 2. That's fine as well. Okay, so let me bring some people up to the board, and we're going to go ahead and do that, and we'll meet you back here in a second. Okay, very well done. We have words that rhyme circled. So somebody tell me by raising your hand, how do I know what makes words rhyme? What am I looking for? Ren?
By the sound.
By which sound?
Sound.
The ending sound, right. So when I look for that, sometimes it's the same letters, but rhyme means sound. So as we go along, we're going to find out that some sounds, they look different. Today, everything kind of looks the same. So in the first row, Maddie has circled small, tall. They both end with the sound all. What about horn? What is the sound that horn would end with? Horn. Yeah, horn. You got to get all those sounds. Very good. Josiah, he marked the words south, mouth, because fork does not sound at the end like south, mouth. And then Aiden took care of row 3, and we have the words milk, corn, born, and we can hear that corn and born have the same sound, so they rhyme. Very good. I think most of us are doing very well at rhyming words. All right, let's move along. We have been talking about syllables. A syllable is a part of a word. Longer words have more than 1 syllable. We've got some words up here, and as we say them, I want you to clap each time we say a part of the word. Now I have these also that they are marked with a line where we're going to slice the word up into its part. So I'm going to say the word, and then you say it with me and clap out the syllables. The first word is education. Okay, so let's do it together. Education. How many syllables?
4.
4. Very good. The next word, listen first. The word is permission. Like I have permission to go somewhere. Ready?
Permission.
Good. 3. The next word is airplane.
Airplane.
2 syllables. Airplane. Okay. What else can we say about that word airplane? What do you know about it, Colton?
I forgot.
You forgot, Jacob?
It's a compound word.
It is a compound word, and that word happens to be split between its 2 small words, air and plane. Very good. The last word we have is telephone. Are you ready?
Telephone.
3. Good. All right, I'm going to put on a video here in the classroom, so those of you that are at home, you'll just keep going, and we'll see you in a minute. All right. A long word may be divided between double consonants. The 2 consonants keep the first vowel short. This is important. We need to know this for some spelling later on. Whenever there are double letters in the center, we can draw a line through that separating my syllables. Then the thing that you need to remember is you need to take each part and treat it like it's its very own word. So because there's doubles, we already know this one is short. But then we have what word at the end of this? Net. What is that E doing? Is it long, short, or is it a special sound? It's short. Thank you. So this is the word. No, this is short. Bonnet. Bonnet. What's a bonnet? Who knows what a bonnet is?
No.
You know, Maddie?
Those things where a village or a girl in it.
It's another name for a hat. Ladies like to wear bonnets at Easter. That's one of my dog's names. She is a blue Doberman, and her color is called blue, but her real name, I call her Bonnie. Her real name is Blue Bonnet. Okay, where are we going to divide this word right here? Come up and do that for me, please, Thomas. Divide that word and then mark the vowels that are there for us. Right here. So we're going to divide between the 2 consonants that are the same. First one is always short. Okay, tell me, why did we circle the ER? Not in this word. We haven't talked about ER yet, so let's just mark that as a short vowel. We'll learn why. ER is going to actually be a suffix, so if we take that ER off, do we have a word din? But that was really a good heads up for that ER special sound. That is coming up later, and we're going to see that right here. Very good. So this is the word dinner. Dinner. How many syllables?
2.
2. Okay, the next word, come up and mark that for us, please, Juliana B. Separating between our double consonants and then marking our vowels. Thank you all for sitting so nicely this morning. I appreciate that. All right, let's sound this word out together. Our U is short, so it's nug. Our E is short, get. Nug, get. A nugget. What's a nugget?
A chicken.
No. I'm asking one person raising their
A
hand.
nugget is kind of like a thing, kind of a chicken that's called like from Chick-fil-A, like chicken nugget.
Yes, we can get chicken nuggets from Chick-fil-A. Yes, we can. A nugget is just a little piece of something. Sometimes a teacher gives you a nugget of information. I kind of gave that to you over here with this ER, just a little bit for later on. a nugget means just a little bit. Like a chicken nugget is just a little bit of chicken. Okay, our last one up here. Oh no, I just threw the Go Noodle stick. So those of you at home will be right back. Woo, here, we're back. We're a little tired. We did some Go Noodle. All right, Jacob, it's your turn to come and split that word between its double syllables. And it looks like we might have a special sound and some vowels. Excuse me? Jacob's got a lot of work to do in one word here. He's got special sounds, vowels, and splitting all going on in one place. Very good. Let's sound this word out. Slipper. Slipper. But we're not going to mark that, well, we will, because this is the right way. Thomas, I don't want you to think that you were doing something wrong, because we haven't learned this yet, but that was a great heads up for that ER. When we do slipper, we can take the ER off and we have slip. So that makes a word. So our ER this time is a, what do we call that? Suffix. Very good. That was a good lesson. I love it when you guys help me out to teach something that's coming up. All right. So words may also be divided between a root word and a suffix if the suffix has a vowel sound. Okay? And most of our suffixes that we're going to learn do, if they have a vowel sound. So we see this one on our chart, and right now we see this one. But just like we learned a little in advance, we're going to have this one. We're also going to have this one. All of these begin with a vowel. So that's what we're talking about here today. But you're going to find out that S can be a suffix at the end of a word. Does S begin with a vowel? No. So if we see a word that we're going to divide, it's not going to work with this rule. S is not going to happen on this rule. Okay, this is for words that have a suffix that begins with a vowel. Okay, we are running lengthy on time, so I'm going to quickly do a few of these and have one person come up and do the rest. We're going to divide between the root word and the suffix. So here's my suffix, ing. So I'm going to go right in front of it and mark it. And then what's left in the front is my root word. This is talking. Okay, I'm looking here. I see my ing at the end. This is where I want to divide my word. And what's left is my root word. My root word here is what?
Bang.
Bang. And I add my suffix again. Bang. Very good. I'm going to divide my word between my suffix and root word. What is my root word? Look. No. Again, let me ask that question. Listen to my question. What is my root word? Look. If I add my suffix, I now have looking. Okay, one person come up and mark this one, Colton. Separate it between the root word and the suffix quickly. Good. What is our root word?
Helping.
Nope. Our root word?
Help.
Help. And then we add ing and we get
Helping.
helping. Very good. All right. Take out your seat work folder. Okay. Number one, we're going to finish the sentence. We're going to write the correct word in. Number two, match to make compound words. And then write the picture of the compound word that you see here. Their words must be spelled correctly. And then circle the special sounds and mark the vowels. Everything is the same there. We're going to write the number in the box for our syllables and then write a word that is opposite. Are there any questions?